Okay, selfie, old kits, pilot model, another pilot model, cool kit, my first kit I ever built. Made all the scale wood myself and table saws and bandsaw and all that jazz, all the stuff you find in a wood shop. I was a stair builder before you guys got the best of me. Anyways, got a couple of kits there, a couple of old engines. Got a couple Broadway limited engines in there hidden. Fine Scale Miniatures kit, all my old yellow boxes. But that's not the point, is it? Point is, we've got a guitar. No, just kidding. I was a musician once. Excuse the couch on the lawn. Trying to do some last minute, getting rid of all the old, pulling in the new. Got a cat. That's not a black cat. She's got a white spot, my mom assures me. This is the rental car. Sorry if the wind is really making this loud. This is a trunk full of models, as you can see. They're all kind of taken apart for the trip because I fully expect border guards to go through everything I have, so only because I haven't been across the border so many times in the past few years, I've heard it's a little crazy. Anyways, protection's everybody's interest. So yeah, there's this trunk full of models. Junk couch on the, yeah, a little trashy, I guess, these days. A little trashy. Farmers out at the barn staring at us. So yeah, car's packed up with models. Don't got no clothes yet. If it was up to me, we don't need any. Well, the clothes I got on. You know. Well, I don't know how to reply to that one. So, my entire room's a mess because I've been preparing for this for the last few days. You see, even my toolbox is just a crying shame. So we're gonna be on the road in a few minutes, and I guess we'll see you then.
Funny thing is, while we're rolling down the road, we drive past all these great modelers. That sign just said Beamsville. That's the home of Lex Parker. One thing I noticed about Lex's area, he seems to be right in the middle of wine country. Do you think that has something to do with his modeling?
Whole racket of driving and doing video is a think fast affair. I think it's called the Skyway Bridge. Goes over the Welland Canal. I know why they call it the Skyway. Oh, except for when you're going down. I actually think those people were laughing at me.
Why?
Well.
Let's see if I can get a postcard.
Daddy should sit there and try to play it. Postcards.
Right here.
Okay, so we got one from Buffalo.
We got one from Niagara Falls.
Ooh, this way. The one with the big ship is probably better, eh?
Let me
In
see.
New York. Yeah, pick a couple of them so we can just... Here's one of Niagara Falls.
Statue of Liberty? No, steeples too.
Yeah, whatever. Do you know what would make it perfect?
What? Did you get the snow?
Me standing in front of it with my prized model railroad train.
Yeah, okay.
You didn't even buy that for a second. Car started just like that. All I had to do was let go of the brake.
This is a nice building too.
So while on the road, I kind of like to sleep in the car. I don't like to jump in hotels and stop the trip and start the trip. It just adds so much time. So we found a nice dark spot to sleep, but wasn't quiet.
Okay, you guys are a bunch of jokers. A bunch of jokers, I tell you. Cops in the median. Crying out loud. Is this what we leave Canada for? Snow? Snow, people? Anyways, I'm gonna put this down before I get arrested. Looks like we're in the mountains of Pennsylvania, Dill.
Walgreens at the corner of happy and healthy.
Our
More
grocery
mountains.
line's making
More
you feel
mountains.
older by the minute. Milk, snacks, and paper towels. And with short...
It is the first time.
This is the 9 at 9. 96.9 Bob FM.
It's 1977.
Now that's a bridge. All clean. So we're here. We didn't end up doing a lot of video in the last part of the trip because we're basically pretty bitchy by that point. You know, it's supposed to be about an 11-hour trip. Took us about 24 hours for fun. But we're here in a massive layout here, and all week I'm going to be showing you stuff from this layout. So maybe come back every day and see the videos. I'm going to try to get them up in the morning. I know there was a delay between day 0 and day 1, but this is day 1 video. Got 5 more to go, maybe even a trip back video, I don't know. But I guess I'll see you tomorrow. If you have any questions for the layout, please comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. We will possibly be doing a hangout later this week. Email me or Facebook me or Google Plus me, and we'll hook you up so that you can be a part of that. I've got my little video production over here. We've got a whole bunch of layout here, and I'm going to show you all of it, but just not right now. Good things come to those who wait.